Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, brothers and sisters in Islam. Long time no video, it's been a while. Juma Mubarak. May Allah accept our supplications, forgive our shortcomings, and strengthen our iman. Ramadan Mubarak in advance. I want to briefly tell you guys the story of how Islam came into existence in my village. Yes, I have not officially come out to make a video concerning it before, but I just though I wanted going live tomorrow to discuss it with you guys on my live stream, but I've decided to change my mind and talk about it now. Okay, let's start from introduction for those that are just following me, because I noticed I had a lot of followers lately. Okay, my name is Vasira Ugochukwu Abdullahi. I'm from Enugu State, Nsukka, Unado in Igbo local government area. Okay, some of you have been, thinking all those while that I am a revert. Okay, I am not a revert. Yes, I was born in Islam, and my parents were, my grandparents were also Muslims. Yes, so my father was born in Islam, and my mom reverted when she got married to my dad. That should be about 40 years ago. Okay, now the question is this: how did you guys, or how did we become Muslims in my village? How did Islam came into existence? Okay, the answer is this. My grandfather, late His Royal Majesty, because he was a titled man before he died, so I would recognize that. His Royal Majesty, late Chief Muhammad Agbajogbase, the Anu one of Funado, Ekengere or Bakidim Kingdom, may the mercy of Allah be upon his soul, and may Allah grant him Jannah. I mean, he died about 31 years ago, thereabout. So he was a pagan, a full traditionalist, and he was a community ruler, like a king in my village. Okay, he married so many wives, so many wives, and had so many children, which some died, and along the way. And after some time, he decided people started coming to preach to him about Christianity and Islam. Christians would come and preach to him to accept Christ. Muslims would come and preach to him too, being a community ruler. So, and after he gave it a thought, he chose Islam. I don't want to go deep into the how the process is involved or whatever. That's he finally converted. I would put my dad on the camera next time. I'll involve him next time so that he can give the detailed history of how his father, my grandfather, became a Muslim. But the little I know, let me share with you guys. So the people that came to talk to him, to preach to him about Islam, among all of them, none was a northerner. There was no Hausa man that came to preach for my grandfather to be a Muslim. There was no Fulani man. The people that preached to him to be Muslim is they were Igalas, Kogi people, and some Igbo Muslims too. Some Igbo Muslims too. Then after they preached to him, he said, okay, let him give it a thought. And after much deliberation and all that, he decided to embrace Islam. Yeah, in the year 1949. Yeah, 1949, and that should be about 70 something years now, or even 80. I don't know, maybe 78, or I don't know, 70 something. Yeah, he embraced Islam fully in the year 1949. Now, those of you that think we became Muslims for Northerners to recognize us, my grandfather never knew any Northerner. Yes, no Fulani man preached for him to be a Muslim. No Hausa man preached for him. The people, Alhamdulillah, one of those people that even gave him Shahada, the man is still alive to date. Mr. Dan Lassa, yeah, from Kogi State, Akbanya. Yeah, he was among the people that helped my grandfather, to take his Shahada. Yes, and he's still alive till date. This man is over 120 something years, if not more than. Like, I don't even know if his mates are still alive. Like, Alhamdulillah for the long life and good health Allah bestowed upon him. He's still alive, and he's a very good friend of my dad. Yes, he normally comes to see us once in a while. Yeah, Dan Lassa, Mr. Dan Lassa, or Malam Dan Lassa. That's what we used to call him, Malam Dan Lassa. Yes, he's not a Fulani man. He's not an Hausa man either. So, enough of all these allegations of we accepting Islam because of money or because of power. My grandfather didn't accept Islam because of any northern. In fact, no northern man preached for him to be a Muslim. No Fulani man was involved. No Hausa man was involved. Okay? So get the fact right before throwing your allegations. Okay, after he embraced Islam, being a village ruler, a king in the community, he called his wives. And he told his wives, look, I already found a new faith. I am now a Muslim. And I want you people to go home to your parents and tell them that your husband, have embraced Islam. If you guys are allowed to join him, so if your family allow you to come and to join me and practice Islam, you can come back. But if they say no, you can stay with them. So his wives were more than 4. Yeah, he had married so many wives. So they traveled back to their different families and different communities. So they told their families, look, our husband have embraced a new faith, and we want to know if we are permitted to join him. So their families told them, of course, the religion of your husband should be your religion. You can go with him. You can embrace Islam too. And they came back and they told their husband, we were allowed to practice Islam with you. And Alhamdulillah, that was how his wives, all of them became Muslims. All their children became Muslims. Yes. So don't forget, I said, Islam came into existence in my village in the year 1949. My grandfather took his Shahada in the year 1949. And it was not an Hausa man or Fulani man or even a Yoruba man that preached for him to embrace Islam. So let me stop here for now. Watch out for the part 2 of how Islam came into existence in my village. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following. I'm Basira Ugochukwu Abdullahi. Peace.